Hello. Okay, just resuming my work from yesterday. So, what I'm going to work on now is to fix this weird little graphical issue with my portal. So, the portal here looks fine, but if it's a vertical, how do I put it? If the type of the portal is for the ceiling, right, and the ground, then yeah, for some reason this is like, for some reason the portal graphics becomes completely broken. So I have to fix that. Yep. But aside from that, last night I worked on the particles, right, for the portals. So if you pass through the portal, you can see some smoke particles emitting. Yeah, it's very evident here as well. Okay. Okay, let's fix the graphical issue. Hmm. Okay, let me try something. check out that level again. Which level is it? Right, this one. Hey, hello. How's all? How are you? I'm just trying to fix bugs again. One, two, three. Yeah, this one. Okay. Terrible. More collision fixing that needs to be done. How about me? Yeah, I'm trying to fix the display of the portal. So apparently the portal, right, for the ceiling portal and the ground portal, they are not displaying properly. Like for some reason it's appearing here. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that. The wall portal seems fine though. The one on the sides seems to be okay. QOL, quality of life? Ah. What kind of quality of life stuff are we talking about? Basically, you're not wanting the player to be able to slide on the wall if the height is like super small. Right, right, right. That makes sense. Right. I have some physics bug myself. There's this one that is not particularly uh, common to reproduce, but it's annoying when it happens. So I have this bug here that so suppose this is the wall. Hang on, let me make a thicker pen. Suppose this is the wall. Sometimes when I jump, right, and and I hit the corner of the wall. Instead of sliding, I ended up changing direction. Yeah, I'm not quite sure why this is happening, but it's really annoying. So I have to look into this as well. It only happens at the corner. Yeah. It's probably a careless mistake somewhere. Yeah, but it feels like a pain. Feels like a pain to fix. Oops. Let me charge my iPad. You know one way you could fix the issue, but you have to change your collision to purely object based. To use collision line. Ah. At the moment it's tile based, right? It's both at the moment. Oh. Oh, can I not rotate my surface? Draw surface. General. No. Oh dear. I have to change this again. You mean you could just make sure there's no one tile height blocks? I suppose you can do that. Okay, I have to fix this. I guess I have to fix the shader. Okay, what's my goal again? I have this particular type of portal. I need to make it like this instead. Should I write a new shader for it, or can I just change this to support both? The reason why you've got the object-based collision also is so that you can make breakable objects. Ah, makes sense. Whatnot without trying to calculate and work out how to break tiles. Right. Breaking objects, breaking tiles. Breaking objects. So like you want to have platforms that can break? Range. Amplitude. Okay, I can reuse this, I think it's this one. That's going to be a problem. Right, okay, I think I got it. By the way, can I use this array style indexing? Let me try. Oh, it works. Amazing. Okay, let's fix that. Hidden areas that can be broken and reveal hidden areas. Okay. Sounds good. No. Is vertical. Walls to be only 2 tiles of height or taller. Yeah, yeah, just use level design to fix it, right? Sounds like the excellent solution. See, there's no problem first. Let me test it out. And then okay, it still seems to render. Right? Okay. Now okay, now go back to the shader itself. Let's see. I don't know what to call it. Ref axis, I guess. I don't know if I can use condition operator in GLSL. I should be able to, right? Do you think a little horizontal look ahead on the camera would be a good idea for a fast-paced platformer? Yeah, definitely. If it's fast-paced, then I think the players would want to be able to see what's coming, right? So, yeah. I mean, if the game is like Sonic, right? Like there's a lot of forward movement, then yeah, I think looking ahead would be a good design. I imagine your platformer has a lot of horizontal movement. Reference axis. So it'll be here. Okay, then this one is tricky. Center pause. Mod 2. Okay, let's try this first, see if anything breaks. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure yet, but it'll be faster pace, and I think that's why Sonic games didn't stick with you, because you keep running. Oh yeah, exactly. I have that same problem also. I agree. Uh-oh, I think I got something wrong. Okay, this compile. Why is it that what I did earlier did not compile? Mod 2. This should work, right? Oh my god, it doesn't work. Why? Let me check. GLSL mod. Oh, doesn't want to read this line. Why? Do I have to just call mod? I guess. How does it work? Mod? Is that how it works? Ah? Does this compile? Let me try. Please compile. Yeah, it doesn't allow for mod. Why? That confuses me. Can I calculate it myself? Don't know what I'm doing. Don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Well, still seems to work. Oh my god. Okay. I hope this is correct. Okay, wouldn't be hard at all to add a little offset. Right. This one. This is the one. Should be doing absolute values on all of this, but let's see how this goes. Oh my god, I broke it. Why doesn't it want to work for the other side? Okay, let's try this. Oh yeah, I could have just done this, right? Goodness. There we go. That fixes the problem. Okay. Ah, there we go. Okay, but it's not at the right position. And I don't know why. I don't know why yet. Let's see. Oops. Is this wrong? It seems to be really wrong. That's why it's rendering at a completely different position. Pause Y is this. If the portal is at the top, let's see what happens if I put 0. Let's see. It's gone. It's gone. What if I put this? It's just gone. Let me do a draw self and see what I get. Okay. Okay. Why is this here? There's one up there. There's one down here. Welcome to game dev. Yeah, why isn't here? Yeah, exactly. My gosh, what's going on? Yeah, what the heck? There's supposed to be something here as well. Oh my goodness. Let me just put X and Y and see what happens. Okay, if I put X and Y, I get the right value. Ah, okay, I think I get it. Yes. Yes, I get it. I get it. I cannot use the same logic as is the case with the left and right. So, excuse me. Okay, let me see if I got it. There's nothing up there at the top. Oh, I know why it's not at the top. So I have to climb up first. Let's see. Crap. Yeah. Right. Got it. Okay. Oops. There we go. Okay, let me just tweak the velocity of the particles and see if it'll look better. Hello, Amanda. Yeah, no 2 hour wait. Yeah, I decided to just jump straight into Jump Joboa. But I'm fixing bugs though. Like, it's like no matter what projects I'm working on, it's always fixing. It's always bug fixing. How was your day? Oh, nah, I was just asking. How's your day? How's grading going? I've been delaying it to be honest. It's uh that's quite a bit to go through, yeah, and uh to be honest, grading isn't very fun. So yeah, but I have to get to it pretty soon. best to get it over and done with. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I'm just procrastinating. So I look at all the things that has to be graded. I'm like, oh, you know what? I can't wait. Have you like not slept? Okay, how should I do this? Let me just draw it out. My goodness. How's how is it that your body can keep up with that with that uh, with that schedule, you know? If the character is falling downwards, no, upon exiting, okay, I think I got it. You're always tired. Goodness. Oh, what am I working on now? Let me show you. So I've added portal graphics. Hang on, eh? So this is just a testing room, right? I was just drawing out some shapes, in the shader. So this is supposed to be placed on the side, you know. So it looks something like this. Yeah. So that it makes more sense, right, when character walks off the screen, right? Because there's a graphics there to indicate that it's a portal. So it'll look something like this. Oops. Hang on. Yeah. Oops. You know what? This is not a good stage to show off the thing. Something like this, right? That when you walk into one end, you will come up from another, and then you see some smoke particles. So this is what I'm working on. And I need to make the I need to fix the one particular portal type, which is the ceiling and the ground one, right? So this one, yeah, I need to make sure that the particle is coming out correctly. Oops. Yep. Thanks. Why purple? Uh, I don't know. I tried using a warmer color. It looks like a bit too much of a contrast. Yeah, so I decided to go with purple. I think like my first attempt was light yellow. And it didn't seem to work very well. Oh dear, I did something wrong. Let's try this. Yeah, it is very glaring. Seems okay. Let me just fix the other one. When entering, it should still look good. Let me see. I have some copy and pasted code here, which is ugly, but I will close an eye for now. With that top-down portal, wouldn't the player just go down the bottom, come out from the top? Yes, they can do that. Yeah, I thought about that also, but then I'm like, yeah, if they want to do that, they can do that, but they will miss out on all the collectibles. Yeah, but I'm still debating whether to keep that level or not, because uh, there is a lot of potential issue with that level. For example, uh, if you were to jump right right when you teleported, I think it's possible for you to jump out of the game level. Yeah, there's some really funky issue. Okay, let's see. Okay, should be okay. There's a lot of I feel like adding like a graphical filter on top of the whole game, right, to make it look a bit more, I don't know, look a bit more special, not as flat as it is now. Are the collectibles important? Yes, the collectibles are important in that if you don't have enough collectibles, you are essentially locked out of like the next part of the world. So I'm going to split all the levels into various portions. So without enough collectibles, you will not be able to unlock us the next like different portions of the game. As for filters, I don't know. I have no idea, to be honest. Some kind of maybe make it a bit grainy, make it a little bit grainy, or add some scan lines here and there. I have no idea. Oh. Yes, I wanted it to look less flat. Less flat in that, like the game doesn't really look very sophisticated, right? Like, in terms of graphics. I want it to, I don't know, like make it look a bit more classy. I wonder how I can do that. Okay, I think I just fixed a bug. What else is done? Right, more levels obviously. Fixed transition speed is done. Horizontal portal, oh, the top ceiling and ground portals are done. Top and bottom portals are done. Visual upgrade, more doodads, not yet. Disable jumping when players off screen. Okay, I will do that a bit later. Yeah, maybe I should make a new level, right? I haven't had a new level in a while. How many levels do I have? Let's see. 33. 1/3. Exactly 1/3 of the way through. Oh man, let's do a new level. New level. Wait. Actually, I need a way to go to a specific level. Let me just let me see. Okay, let me see. Where is the part where I take in the shortcut? How many levels do you need to make an alpha build? Oh, actually I can have an alpha build right after I have a level selection. Yeah, so at this very moment I feel like I can probably test it already. Right, it's just not super ideal because the levels are not very balanced yet. So I have to identify a way to organize the level in terms of difficulty as well. And if it proves to be playable, then I can probably approach, like send a build to the editors over at Apple, right? And get their feedback maybe. Maybe Apple and Google, right? Google it feels like they are quite difficult to reach. it's quite difficult to reach out to the editors over at Google. Last time I sent an email, I didn't get any response. You're planning to release this for mobile? Yes, for mobile. For mobile, and I may release it on Steam as well, but probably as a free game. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Right. If there's enough potential, then I might want to just push out another game on the Switch. Right. Like for instance, if I can make it support flip flip grid, I think that's what it's called, right? Flip grid. Yeah. Then I might want to try turning this into a Switch game as well. But that's quite low in terms of priority. That's quite low because I don't think most Switch owners are not really interested in games this small, I think. Okay, let me have a drink of water. Yeah. Exactly. So in terms of priority, I'm going to like make it pretty low. I think it makes more sense that a game like Project Dungeon would be on Switch rather than Jump Jaboa. Yeah, but depending on how it goes, like if I'm able to make some money from Jump Jaboa, then I wouldn't mind purchasing the license to put this on Switch. Yeah, it depends. Did I figure out the collision issue in Project Dungeon? I might have identified a way to fix the problem, but I have to test it out first. It's not a trivial solution. Yeah, it's going to require that I rewrite some stuff. So I'm mainly trying to fix that out of curiosity. Yeah, because I think it's actually not gameplay. It's not important to the gameplay in Project Dungeon. So I can just forget about like letting the player push an object around. Yeah, but it's just that uh, I'm just curious, right? I want to know if there's a way to fix this problem. This is so annoying, right? Like every time I do the demonstration of Project Dungeon, right, I push like 4 pots. If I were to push 4 pots together, then you can start to see all the vibration going on, and it's so ugly. And it's not well optimized as well, right? So uh 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 it if there's enough pots, right, it actually lags the whole game. So that's terrible. So there's a lot I can do to improve upon it, and I want to fix the problem uh, 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 to satisfy my own curiosity. Yeah, as a game programmer, I guess. Aha, that's where the R is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The lagging issue is problematic. Well, I can just get rid of the lag by completely ignoring the multiple collision issue. But then but then there will be lots of vibration going on, lots of jittering of the pots. Let me just write some quick debugging feature. I want to be able to like pinpoint a level that I want to go to. How much did it cost for me to get Serious Scramblers on Switch? On the Game Maker license, the Switch export module for Game Maker is 799 USD. Yeah, so I spent like more than 1,000 Sing dollars on it. But I justified paying that amount by saying that Serious Scramblers did made a little bit on iOS, so I can spare the expenses. So similarly, if I release this on mobile, right, and then Jump Jubwa, if Jump Jubwa made enough, then I might consider the same thing. Right, if not, then I will move on. So did Serious Scramblers manage to break even? Well, I don't know. I mean, if you want to take into account the amount of time I spent on the project, then no, I don't think I broke even. But if you are just taking into consideration the amount I spent on like commissioning artwork or music, then yeah, I definitely make back the money. So it's nowhere close to sustainable, right? The money I made from Serious Scramblers. Uh, um, and yet interestingly, right, it's the most I've made compared to even compared to Space Jack, right? And Space Jack is made by like more than three people, you know. So I see that as a step up, like compared to my previous project, and hopefully the pattern continues. Time is money, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, in that case, I probably wouldn't be making any. I probably can forget about breaking even for quite some time. It's not that easy, right? I have to build up a following first, and that is the case for I imagine 90% of indie developers. Yeah. So if the question is like, why am I doing this if the chance of even making money, right, is so low, then I'm not doing this for money per se. Yeah, I just like doing this. Yeah, exactly. That's the most important part. Yeah. Yeah. There are way too many people, I feel, who spend a lot of time on one project, and then after it failed, they never really got back to attempting it a second time. And I thought that's a shame. I thought that's a shame. Right? Because like some of this project looks quite incredible, right? For our first project, for our first commercial game, like it didn't succeed, but that's statistically that is the case, right? Most people's first project uh will never turn a profit. Yeah, so it's a bit of a shame to give up after one project, I feel. But of course, everyone's situation, like everyone's circumstances is different. Just my humble opinion. Oh no, I need this code. Let me just grab it from Project Dungeon. Einstein once said, I tried 99 times and have failed, but on the 100 times came success. Yeah. So we keep trying, right? Yeah. So we keep trying. In fact, I'm trying it, knowing that success may never actually come at all. Yeah, but if I enjoy it, then that's great. Success is also a personal thing. Actually, just releasing a game can be considered as a form of success. I imagine putting together a game isn't easy, right? So some people can consider that a success already. What am I trying to find? Debug console. There we go. What is success to me is different for other people. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Can I just copy this entire debug console over? Let me try. Copy everything over. A debug console. So because I want to be able to switch between different levels easily. Is it worth copying over? Hang on. Oh no, it's looking like a pain. The one I made for Project yes, I'm copying it over so I don't have to redo the work. Okay, now I have to copy over the message bus. No, a lot of people have asked me if I can see myself doing this for a long time. You know, like part-time teaching and then making games. I think the question is mainly when do I give myself right until I give up? I don't know. I never actually want to think about that. I feel like if I can keep making them, then I will keep making them, right? Actually, I will never give up. Even if I take on a full-time job, I will still be finding time to make games. Alright, because they're fun. They're fun. Whoa! Hi, hello. Hello, Shao. Is that how I pronounce your name? Hello. Hello. I love that game you make about making chicken rice. Yo. Yeah, I remember that chicken rice game is so funny. Anyway, I'm just working on. Oh, thanks for the follow. Anyway, I'm just working on a side project. Right, it's a one-button platformer. Right, it's quite broken at the moment, but let me show some easier level, easier level. Okay. Well, I mean, I want to make a platformer where you can play with just a single button, so the character is just moving left and right automatically, right? And then you just hit the jump button when the time is right. So something like that. Right? And then there are other mechanics like disappearing blocks, right? Each time you jump. So this one you have to kind of kill the enemies. There we go. Yeah. Then more recently I've been playing around with screen wrapping, right? It's like portals on the left and right side of the screen. So I can do stuff like this. Yeah, so at the moment there's not a lot of mechanics, right? It's I have some basic stuff like bumpers, I have some portals, moving blocks, but that's about it. Oh, in fact, this one is broken. Oops, I have to fix this. Yeah. Hey, thanks. Is it like Leap Day? Leap Day. Which one is it? Let me check. Leap Day. I might have seen it. Leap Day mobile game. Leap Day. Ah, same controls, I think. Yeah. Quite possibly. Quite possibly, but I think my level is smaller. Yeah, and I'm thinking of trying to get it to the point where I can push out a public alpha test. Yeah. You've recently graduated from DigiPen. Hey, so we are fellow Digipeons. DigiPen Dragons. Yeah. They recently graduated. Wow. Oh, I graduated how long ago? Let me see. 20 2013. Oh, that's quite some time ago. Time flies, man. That's cool. You knew about Rotten Mage for oh. Yeah, we spent 2.5 years working on Space Jack. Oh man, that was fun and yet crazy at the same time. We were barely sleeping throughout the entire development. we spent 6 months on the prototype, and then we were like, oh, you know what, this is not fun. Then we redo the whole thing, and by that point we were super worried, right? Because we were afraid that we wasted 6 months of our life. Then yeah, we put together a new prototype in another month, tested it, and for the next year and a half, we were just putting the game loop together and balancing it. Yeah, was super stressful time. Super super stressful time. So you're coming out as a solo developer? Wow. Is there any project that you are aiming to release? Is it that frog project? I've been eyeing that one. Ah, it's not the frog one that you're gonna be doing. Ah, I see. Prawn with a gun. Dungeon crawler Mega Man, but oh, all right. Yeah, I watched you work on that. That's cool. That's awesome, man. Oh wait, I need to copy something over. Hang on. Wait, what should I work on? Let me see. Yeah, maybe I should just put together a level. Oh, my code for this project is completely rubbish, by the way. It's a side project, right? So I didn't care about keeping things nice. Let's see. Ah, okay. See you around. Thanks for the raid, man. See you around. Love your work. Hey, Private Orange. Long time no see. How's it going? Alright, see you, Amanda. New level, new level. I'm a little out of ideas, to be honest. Like, I'm wondering if I should add new mechanics before I make new levels. Let me delete this, delete all of this. Yeah, I have enemies for Jerboa now. Let me show you. Let me show you the more straightforward level first. So I don't have a proper way of selecting a level. Let me just cycle through them. I have portals too. Okay, yeah, here's one level. Right, the enemies is bouncing around. I kind of want to make my the mechanics interact with each other. So since you can use the spring, now the enemies can use them too. Right, so that's one. That's one level like that, and then there's another one where the enemies can fall due to the disappearing block, right? It's a similar concept here. Oops! Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Okay, there you go. Yeah. For the earlier levels, oops! I removed my restart button. Hang on. For my earlier levels, not earlier levels, for my later levels, I start using the portals a little bit more. So I have like weird levels like this. Not this one. I have weird levels like this. Where the goal, right, isn't for you to proceed to the endpoint immediately, but for you to first observe the level and figure out how you want to get rid of all of these enemies. Right. So the way is to get the enemies to go through the portal, and then make them walk onto the spring and kill themselves. So it's like something like this. Yeah. Okay, let's skip this one. Right, and then there are levels like this. There's no enemies here, but you have to make use of the screen wrapping. That's another. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, but now I'm a little bit dry on ideas. Like I'm not quite sure what more levels I can make without adding new mechanics. Yeah, I'm at like 33 levels now. My aim is to get to 100 levels. Yeah, and I probably should make a level selection soon. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is correct. 11 from the base is correct. A screen wrapping portal effect looks good. Oh, thanks. Thanks. It's actually a cheat. What I did was I wrote a shader to draw a sine curve. Hang on. I wrote a shader to draw a sine curve, right? Then what? Hang on. Just draw a single sine curve, like something like this. Hang on. Where's my paint? I have a shader that draws like a shape like this, and then I take into account the other side as well. And then all I did was I just made the rest anything outside of this shape transparent, right? And then once I have that, I just draw it multiple times with different amplitudes and frequency, and then combine them together. So they are actually just like three distinct shapes drawn over each other. Let's see if it's obvious in this level. Oops. Ah, goodness. Hang on, let me just add my restart button back. I removed it. Yeah, so they are actually just three shapes drawn on top of each other. Yeah, and all I did is I just put it to the edge of the screen and hope that it looks fine. High five and give you his paw for food. Is the portal supposed to be in the middle? Ah, that was a testing. That was just for testing. That was just for testing. It's not supposed to be in the middle. Alright. So that was a test level. It's not an actual level. Yeah. Right. This level, I might want to remove this level. Yeah, I need ideas for a new level, man. What should I do? Can I like just make a level with oops, make a level with a ton of spikes? Wait, should be vertical level, right? Falling level? Falling. Yeah, instead of going upwards, I go downwards, right? I can try that. I can try that. Um, but in general, it wouldn't work so well with the way I set things up. I think because I have a giant button here, and the button will actually will obscure some of the level. I can still try it though. I have one level that is going downwards, right? Let me see if I can find it. Uh, yeah, this one, this level, yeah, this level goes downwards, and as you can see here, the button actually blocks the door. Not sure how I should go about this actually. Okay. Yeah, let me consider that. Spikes. Need to adjust the level. Cannot have button blocking level. Yeah, I will. I will definitely be back to look at that level. What else should I do? A maze level? Maze. Okay. Yeah, you're right. Because all my level at this point is you only either go upwards or downwards, right? Uh, what if you have to keep going back and forth? A maze level. How would I do it? Okay, let's have the floor here first. A maze. So multiple paths, eh? Okay, let me just try some random stuff. What if I have a level with a wall in the middle? How would this work? And then the character is here. How would this work? Okay. I feel like maybe I can try another level with the full screen of like the how do I put it? Screen wrapping. I feel like I can do another level that is something like this one. Right? How would I make this more dangerous? Right? Maybe I can do something like this but with more spikes. Right? And be a bit more cruel. Because why not? Right? Because why not? Let me just... Okay, you know what? Okay, let's try it out. And I can make the level taller anytime, right? If I need more space. Okay. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Get rid of this. Let me just put this level. Yeah, I need a way. I need a way to manage all this level soon, rather than doing it like this. Okay. I have this. Let's put the portal by the side. Oops. Instances. Let's put the portal by the side. Right, need to put a floor here and here. Okay. So if we were to look at this, how can we expand upon the level? Okay. You know, I wonder if it's worth the time making a what you see is what you get level editor, right? So I can just edit it in game. Probably not, right? Probably not worth that time. It's just feature creep, right? Maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Okay, how would I do it? Hey, Devious Oatmeal, hello. I'm trying to make levels, but I'm a little dry on ideas. Okay, let's see. How would I do this? Okay, let me put a binary block here. 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 Okay, let's put 4 of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. And then I can have a lot of spikes on the other side. Would this help? I don't know. What can the player do? What can the player do? Well, the player can jump. But the idea is, I probably want to have a door like somewhere up here, and then the player have to figure out how to get up there. Yeah. How about a level where the enemy starts at the end and come at you, and you have to jump over them to the end? Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Wait, let me see if I can visualize that. Are there type platforms? Oh, at the moment not yet, but I can perhaps add that in as a new mechanic. So these platforms, they switch between 2 states when you jump, right? This is, wait, you see that? They turn from solid to invisible each time you jump. Yeah. As for the enemies, I guess I can have a level where hey, let me think. Levels where enemy starts at the end and come at you. Enemies cannot jump. Can they jump? Wait. What if I make it such that the spring can actually bounce the enemies upwards? to a higher platform. Would that work? Then you just start here, is it? You just start here. Do floor toggles if you press space while in that? No. No. It only toggles when you go from ground to air. So let me see how this will work. Probably like this. Oh crap, I killed myself. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should not be putting this block so close to the end. Oh, you know what? Let me just remove this. And then get rid of this. Pull the player downwards. And then use a one-way platform. It's my one-way platform. Something like that. So the idea is to start the player off at in the safe area, right? You're thinking more like enemies would start at the top and fall, or oh, okay. Hang on, let me just write this down. Level idea, right? Start enemies at top. They march downwards. Alright, portals send them back to top. I guess I can try that. Is there a way to make it toggle if also in air? That would open up a lot of new puzzle possibilities. Maybe. I have to think about it. Like I'm thinking of adding a double jump, but you have to collect an item first. So maybe that can add more to the game. So what objects are we working with? Yeah, I have a spring as well. I have a spring, I have keys to reveal hidden doors. I have spikes. But other than that, not too much. Not yet. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see. How will I do this? Oh. It's a bit punishing, isn't it? Let me see. Crap. My timing sucks. Oh my goodness. Hang on. Okay. Okay. What can I do from here? I don't know. I feel like I'm just doing things randomly. Let's see. What if I block on the other side, then wrap to the other side to a platform? Okay. Let me see if this works. I have no idea if this will work properly. Can you jump through portals? Yes, yes, you can. You can, you can. Oh crap, I forgot. I'm dead. Okay, like that. Eh? What happened to my character? Oh, it must have fallen off. Poop. Okay, okay. I hope it doesn't break. Will this work? If you fall in the spring from higher up, do you bounce further up too? If you fall in the spring, oh no, it's fixed. The when you touch the spring, it automatically launches you up at a fixed amount, fixed velocity. Maybe put the blocks outside of the portal. Oh yeah, yeah. Outside here, right? But hang on, let me test this first. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, okay. That seems to work fine. Okay, so I put a key here. I can put a key here. Right, right? Yes. Let's put a key here. Right? And then let's do something cruel. Yeah. Okay. I feel like I need a quicker way to test levels, you know. Constantly making a level here and then hitting the play button is taking way too long. Yeah, okay, let's keep it simple. Just make one more thing. One more thing. No. Would this work? Where's my door? Yes. Okay. Let's try this. Wait, I need to put some collectibles. Collectibles. I'll just give some free ones to the player. Let's try this. How's that? Does that work? I guess that's fine, right? Jump once, jump twice, jump again. Yeah, I suppose that works to an extent. Let me try it again. I'm much more generous with collectibles. You put that right above the spikes. Ah, okay. Let me see, let me see. Right above the spikes. Wait, you mean like here? Hey, that's a good idea. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Let me just shift this here, and then I'll put one here, one here. Let's try this. Oh. Oh, how do I read this? Let's see. This is the key? Is this a key? Jump. Maybe I can try that. Slide down a wall, jump and get the key. Okay. Let me try that. Let me see if that works. Let me see if that works. I tend to not want to make everything too cramped, so I have to test if it works first. Let's see. Wait a second. Not this block, right? Wait, wait, not no. This other block. Okay, I don't think I can make the jump, so I have to shift it down. Our blocks are not drawn to scale. Okay. I might have to shift the spikes down. Hang on, eh? Okay. Let's see how that works. Let's see. Oh crap. Hang on. Okay, let's do this again. Maybe 2 blocks is not. Maybe 3 blocks would be better because I have more time to react. Maybe let's try again. Hang on. Yeah. Let me think. I think I need more space. So I think what I can do is, I will take this part out. This will allow me to have more space, right? So it's not, it's a bit non-symmetrical now, but I guess that's fine. Then that way I can, oops, I can put this back. Let's try this. technically I have 5 blocks to react. That's true too. Yeah, but I'll make it a little bit more forgiving. I add one more tile. Okay, how about this? Oops. Let me try again. Crap. Help! Okay. Oh no, wait. Wait. What did I do wrong? Jump. Oh, okay. I think it needs to be an L shape. Okay. Let me try again. Crap. Yeah, okay. It needs to be an L shape. Can they slide through a 1 block wide gap? Yeah, it is possible. Oh crap. Okay. I got it. Eh? Wait a second. I feel like something isn't right. Hang on. Oh, okay. I guess that works. Ta-da! Oh, okay. Thanks. I think I like this. So I don't like that the key is so close to the thing. So let me see if I can just shift it 1 pixel across. Okay, yeah, that one gap. That should be enough. Can make it really hard and take away stuff to make it easier. That's true. Oh yeah, I can rotate the key actually, but I want to keep the graphics consistent with all the other levels. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I like this. That's nice. Thanks, man. Oops. I'm dreaming. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, that's one new level. That's nice. I should probably start populating the level with doodads like the grass and stuff like that. I feel like adding some kind of a very basic lighting effect. Just to make the levels pop a bit. It feels a bit flat now. Can also put spikes under the L to punish us. Under the L? You mean here? On the block. Oh, yeah, but the spikes, there isn't a way to attach the spikes to a disappearing block. So if I want that, I'll have to code it separately. Yeah, I guess I can work on that. What else are there? Cool. Or 7:38. Let me see what else I can work on before I head off for dinner. Ghost spikes confirmed, yeah. Oh, you know what? Let me just write it down first, just in case I actually end up working on it. Ghost spikes, alright? Ghost spikes attached to disappearing block. Spikes that you can make appear and disappear would be great. Maybe also want spikes that are independent to wall that you can, so you can have solid spikes. Wait, hang on. Let me try to understand that. Spikes that are independent to the wall, so you can have solid spikes on invisible wall. Wait, what does that mean? Solid spikes on invisible walls. Or ghost spikes on wall that you can jump to turn off spikes. And okay, yeah, I can work on that. Yeah, I like this. I might want to do a double jumping thing, maybe, or maybe some gravity flipping mechanic. Actually, should I do that? Okay, say a wall is ghosting, the spikes are solid. So is the spike inside of the wall? Could also be inside. Ah, I see. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of things that can be done. I've yet to test this out on mobile. I think it's about time I do that soon. Okay, let me test out the aspect ratio thingy. So I spent some time trying to fix the issue with aspect ratio, right? Like, because I want the game to run on various devices with different aspect ratio. So it seems to work, I think, more or less. I mean, it even works for something like this. Okay, should be fine. Okay, let me just see if there's anything broken. I remember there's one level that's broken. Oh, I did not label the levels. Great. How am I going to find them now? This one. This one is broken, right? Level 19. Galaxy 4 Outer this Galaxy 4. Hello Kalazo, welcome back. Welcome back. Galaxy 4, wait, is that the folding phone? Galaxy 4. Wasn't it record? Let me see. Oh, fancy. How does it work? Maybe a button that just needs to be run over to turn on and off something. Okay. So a player can toggle something that can be turned off. Unlike the key where the door is always on when you get it. Okay. I can consider that. Let me write that down as well. Oh, not this. Where's my text file? Galaxy 4 Outer display is 921. Oh my goodness. Let me check this level. Level 19. Let me see if there's anything wrong with the display. Oh, seems fine. Okay, it's working now. Wee. Oh man. Okay. From a design perspective, it would be better if the cat started from a still motion. Maybe a box with an arrow pointing in the direction the cat will jump in once the player jumps. Okay, okay. Yeah, let me keep that in mind. Let me keep that in mind. Yeah, maybe perhaps that's true. Then I don't have to spend so much time uh, 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 setting up like safe areas. Let me think. Should I do that? Yeah, let me think about it. Let me think about it. On that level, the bottom of the portal can be seen. Oh, okay. My bad. Let me fix that. Thanks, Halazor. Hello, Lucius. Oh, there's a lot of people because I got raided earlier. By a fellow Singaporean developer. Okay, let's see. Which SG boy? Chow. I've never actually met him in person before, but I've seen his work. Maybe later I show you some links. It's very cool. Safe area can also take out a lot of room. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, let me consider that because one of the reasons why there's a safe area is also because I can have like enemies I can have like enemies walk through like an area, right, without worrying that they will walk into the player. Jaboa speed, we must maintain 50. What? Oh, speed. I have not watched that movie in like what, 15 years? Keanu Reeves, right? Good stuff. Sorry, Lucius, what do you mean? What do you mean by child? Okay, should I make one more level? Should I make one more level before I eat? But level takes a long time, eh? You know what? Let me just go back to my debug console thingy that I wanted to work on. Let me just switch back to project dungeon. Copy my message bus. invincible for a few seconds. Right, right. Yeah, maybe I can consider that. Yeah, yeah, I have to think about that first. I run it through my head, see if I want to pursue that idea. Okay, message pass is in. Low high gravity rooms. Yep, yep. Sounds good. I was thinking of like having an ability to flip the gravity around. I wonder if that's worth the effort. Because if I were to do that, then I have to refactor some of my collision code, I think. Let's see. Okay. I thought you said this was a side. Yeah, this is a side project that is that I can push out sooner than Project Dungeon. No, it's just that the end of the year is approaching, and I'm feeling anxious. I feel like I need to push something out. Like at least an alpha build would be good. Because the only new thing I've released this year is what was small HTML5 game. It was made pretty much in one weekend. Let's see. Save the heavier mechanics for the sequel. Sequel, yeah, if it's worth the effort, yeah, definitely make a sequel. Depends on how well the game will do. Let's see. We shall see. Okay, let's see if this thing works. Sequel should have a second Jerbois. Both have to make it to the door. Oh, right. Yeah, there are some games like that, right? Yeah, control both characters. Oh, hey, thanks, man. Devious Oatmeal. Thanks, thanks. But I'm thinking of releasing it on mobile, so uh, uh, monetization would probably through ads. Yeah, it's not my favorite form of monetization, but it seems like charging a premium fee for mobile, it's no longer a valid strategy, like for small time developers, I think. Charge for Steam version. Yeah, let me consider it. What would be a good price point though? Like say if I have like 100 levels. How do I activate this thing? Huh? Since there will be a free version that you can't go too high. Yeah, exactly. I agree. Steam is super saturated though. I mean, so is the App Store, so is the Google Play Store. But man, so every day there's like how many dozens of game coming out per day now? Do you remember the number of games that came out last year on Steam? How many was it? 7K? Wait, is it more than that? Amazingly, there's only 30K games on Steam. Yeah, but every time there's a sale, right? Like a bulk of them will all go on sale. If there's free version, maybe $3 to $5. I see, I see. I charge 199 for serious scramblers. Yeah, but even then, the visibility is so poor, right? Hang on, I forgot how to activate this thing. Let's see. Well, I guess I can just look at my other project. I haven't run this in a while. Let me just run it. You know, run it. Oops. $199 would be nice too. Hmm. Oh dear, I'm compiling for YYC. Now it's taking forever. Forever. Ever thought of selling on each IO? Yeah, yeah. I have a page on each IO. The sales figures is I don't know. It's like way, 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 way less compared to Steam. And even Steam figure is already pretty crap, you know. So Serious Scramblers did best on iOS, yeah. And I haven't even properly released it on Android. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, but setting up for each IO is pain free, so I guess that's the nice thing about it. Uh, Hang on, let me just look through this. Forgot how I do certain things. Oh, yeah, it's up. I haven't seen this in so long. Woo! Can't wait to go back to this project. Okay. Okay. What's the point of this dungeon game? The point is to explore. It's a dungeon crawler, so basically you just you have to find an endpoint. Like it's like a maze. You travel through from room to room, fighting enemies like as if it's a beat 'em up, and then once you reach the endpoint, you are able to I guess purchase an upgrade for yourself. At least that's the goal, you know. Yeah, but it's so early in development that any of this can change any of these initial plans can change. Is there a planned loop? So the loop is basically what I just mentioned, but the law, I have not thought about that. Yeah, I have zero idea what the world is going to be like. So I think my goal is to have like an enjoyable gameplay loop first, and then I worry about the law. Based in space, they had to wear hazmat suits. What? What? What if the multi? What if it was multiplayer, and you had to figure out the imposter job? What? Gameplay is better to focus on first. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Sorry, I have no idea what I'm working on now. Let me see. You have never played Among? Yes, I played. I played twice. I think it's a fun. I mean, I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty interesting. But it's not for me. I guess it's not for me because it's so stressful to play that game. And like, if I'm an imposter, I'll be like, oh my goodness, I hope they don't catch me. Hmm. Okay, I think this should be fine. Okay, yes, Amanda. I can get lost in the map of Among Us, right? That is true. Uh, but it's also because I didn't play enough of it to remember the environment. Hmm? Hang on, this thing is not working. Persistent. Visible. There are different maps, right. Oh, okay. I forgot to add a font. Wonderful. Font debug. What font should I have? Oh, this is going to look so crappy because my resolution for my GUI layer is super small in this game. Let me just set it to Nokia. Maybe Nokia. Turn off anti-aliasing, please. You're not even working on your game right now, and the error message scared you. Console last. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Let me try that actually. No, wait, just one moment because my aspect ratio is pretty low. Let me check. Okay. It's rendering behind the button. Okay. Let me try the other one. So private orange say consolers. How do I where is it? Let me see. Oh, this one. Oh, look at that. Let me try this. Also, I need to render it above the button. I need to render it above the button. Just a moment. Where should I? What's the easiest way to fix that? I guess the easiest way is to draw GUIN. Easiest. This is the easy way out. Okay, let's see. Button must be at the top. Okay, what's my... Okay, let me see if I have any commands that I could copy over from Project Dungeon. There's a restart. There's a go to. Okay, let's try go to level 01. Okay, let's try that. Go to level 01. Oh my god. Okay, what is wrong now? Not set. What not set before reading it? To string array. Okay, got it. Let me copy over another script. I should like export them as a package or something. Oops. Okay, hopefully that fixed the error. That's the thing, right? When I just copy stuff over without making sure that I have all the assets I need. The ultimate package manager copy paste. Go to level 01. There we go. There we go. That's my level. Oh man, how long ago was this? This is so simple. Oh wait, this is not a real level. This is a testing level. Oops. Oh, I went out of the... What level is this? Did I break a level? Huh. Well, I guess I have to go through all of this and make sure nothing breaks. Go to level 24. Okay, 24 is this. I should probably like draw the render the level number here so I don't get confused. Also, now my levels are ordered, so it's just an arbitrary name, right? The numbers doesn't mean anything. The number represents the order in which I make them. Yeah, but it's not supposed to be the final order. So I probably need a text file so that I can organize all my levels. I think I need that. Need a timer that starts only when the player first press space. Need a timer. A timer? Oh, what would the timer be used for? Oh crap. Count up, just record keeping. Ah, okay, got it. Like to see how fast they beat the level, right? Speed runs. Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I regret not keeping track of all of this information for my previous project. Alright, this is a weird level. This one. Okay, got it. Okay. Will there be a scorekeeper of sorts? Yeah, yeah. I have to keep track of this because level progression depends on how much collectibles you have. So I need to keep track of them. So basically, once you have collected the item, right, they are actually not supposed to show up anymore. Yeah. Also, I want to make some changes to this debug console. Let's see. Go to. I think I just want to go to different levels. So I'm just gonna assume that that's what the player will key in. Yeah, let me try this. Will this work? Maybe have a marathon mode where the level starts on level 1 and it goes through. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe I can try that. It all depends on how much time there is. So let me try go to and then I try like say 15. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, this one is another weird level. Oh dear, what is this? What is this? There's a gap here. I have to fix this. Okay, okay. I'll have to go through each level and make sure that the portal is not broken. Okay, I think this is a good point for me to call it. Let's see. Let me just run through. I did do a quick summary. Just a moment. Oh, Amanda, yeah, I'll be having dinner in a moment. Should be quick implementation, constant variable for the timer that you can reset, and then array. Yeah, that's true. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Quick recap. I started off. The stream working on the portal graphics. So previously my portal graphics was broken for the top and bottom one. Right. So this one it wasn't displaying properly. So now I fix it. That's great. So after doing that, I made sure that the particles is working. Oh, why is this lagging? Weird. Right. Make sure that the particle is spawning properly. It seems to be working so far. And then let's see. Yeah, and then we work on this level, right? Work on this level together. My computer is lagging. What the heck? Okay. I'll bet it's Chrome. Right, so we made this level. Okay, the lag killed me. In any case, we made this level. I like it quite a bit, and then I just copied my debug console from Project Dungeon over to this project, and that's it. So I'll be back again later to continue working, right, after dinner. So yeah. Okay, was the cat going faster and faster? Oh, yes, yes, but there is terminal velocity. Yes, it's actually going faster and faster. Yeah. Yeah, in any case, thank you so much for hanging around, and I really appreciate all of your input. Yeah, thank you so much. Right, thanks, Private Orange, and thanks, Devious Oatmeal, for your input on the level. Yeah, we can use that for a puzzle. I suppose I can. Yeah, okay, so I'll correct. Yeah, see you all. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah, you too. Have a good one. Bye bye.